So under this biochemical analysis, you have another point. Okay, another point, that is what it is a nutritional risk screen, that is NRS 2002 tool. In this tool, what happened? We're going to take two things into consideration. One is impaired nutrition status. Next is severity of a disease, right? Increase in the requirements. Now, the first thing is, in the impaired nutrition status, you have something known as a mild, that is score 1, score 2, score 3. And in the score, what is score 1? Score 1 tells about if the weight loss is more than 5% in 3 months, right? If weight loss is more than 5% in 3 months, you have a score 1. Now, what is score 2? If a weight loss is less than 5% 2 months with 18.5 to 20.5 BMI, you have a score 2. What is score 3? Score 3 tells about weight loss more than 5% in 1 month with a BMI of less than 18.5 BMI. Score, if 70 years, add 1 to the total of scores. So if you observe carefully here, in the score 1, we are taking into consideration of 3 months. If the weight is more than 5% weight loss in 5% in 3 months. From score 2, we take a consideration of BMI 18.5 to 20.5 with a weight loss less than 5% in 2 months. Here weight loss more than 5% in 1 month with less than 18.5 BMI. Now if you look into the severity of a disease, there is an increase in the requirement. If there is an increase in the requirement, like if a patient has a hip fracture, you can have a score 1. If a patient has a major abdominal surgery, then you can come into the score 2. If a patient is in ICU, right, and you have got something known as APACHE, Apache more than 10, you have got score 3. Now, if this nutritional risk screen NRS is 3 or more, then you have a nutritional care plan is initiated. So, in the points of biochemical analysis, in which we have discussed about albumin, we discussed about the MUST tool, we discussed about the nutritional risk screen. So that's all you need to understand. Let us meet in the next session. Thank you.